So if you purchase mouthwash from your local grocery store, Walmart, Target, or either one of them, just know and understand that many times people don't read the ingredients. They just kind of, look at it as just mouthwash. I'm just going to be rinsing my mouth and don't even think about looking at the ingredients. But when you turn the bottle over on the back and you read what the ingredients are in this mouthwash, anything you can't read and you don't understand what it is, basically you need to leave it on the shelf, okay? Especially what's included in this one. Look at here, you've got Palaxamir 407, whatever that is. The propylene glycol is what got me with this one. Propylene glycol is basically antifreeze. Red number 33 and green number 3 is known as a coal tar dye, which is basically a carcinogen. So you want to really pay attention to the ingredients in the mouthwash that you are using. And I'm going to show you how to make your own Cloves mouthwash that's 100% better for your oral health. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Just 2 simple ingredients. And you're going to need, number 1, an empty mouthwash bottle. Make sure you clean it real good, and you want to make sure all of it is cleaned from the bottle. The next thing you're going to need is organic whole cloves. Now, you can purchase, the non-organic whole cloves if you like. Of course, that's a personal preference. I always buy the organic whole cloves because I use them a lot, okay? And you want to make sure when you turn it over on the back, it does say cloves, nothing but cloves. Some people have used the powder, but I personally use whole cloves. The next ingredient you're going to need is cloves essential oil. Now, the key is that you want to make sure that it's 100% pure and natural, non-GMO. That is the key as well. You want to make sure that it is 100% pure and natural, okay? Now, the next step, you want to remove the top, and you're going to pour about 10, maybe 10 to 15 cloves in your hand, and you want to get a pot and you want to fill the pot halfway with water. You're going to put the cloves in there and you're going to let it boil down. You're going to leave it on for about 15 minutes. Let it boil about 15 minutes, and then you're going to allow it to sit about 15 minutes. And this way all of the eugenol from the cloves are able to, really get in the water and really saturate the water really well. So once your water has cooled, you leave it for 15 minutes, just let it cool for about 15 minutes, and then you want to take your container or your pitcher. You want to make sure that whatever you're using has a pouring spout to it so that you can pour the mouthwash over into your bottle, okay? So what I normally do is take a strainer and I just pour the water inside the pitcher. And of course the strainer will catch the cloves. And I personally don't throw the cloves away because I chew on them. If you ever want a wonderful a way to detox your body, chew on 2 cloves a day. Trust me, it will definitely detox your body. Once you have done that, you want to take your clove oil, and I have a little dropper. I normally take about 3 to 4 drops of the clove oil, and I put it in the water. Okay. Once you have that done, then you want to just take the solution and you want to pour it into your bottle. Cloves have numerous benefits for your oral health. And as I mentioned earlier, it contains a compound called eugenol, which works as an antiseptic to fight bacteria that may cause infections. It also helps to alleviate gum infections. If you have nerve pain and any type of gum disease such as periodontitis. Okay? Once you've done that, this is your all-natural Cloves mouthwash. Thank you for watching.